How to upload SD video on TikTok without losing the quality. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok application in your device and make sure to log in. Now once you're logged in, first of all, let's create a TikTok video. For that, tap on the plus icon from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now you can create a video to upload in TikTok. Once it's on, tap on this next button. Now you will get to this page. From here, tap on more option. Scroll down a bit and there you'll find an option as allow high quality uploads. So make sure to turn on that toggle. And even though if you have turned on this toggle and you are not still able to upload the SD video on TikTok, now again what you can do is simply close this pop-up box. Now again go back. Now head back to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. From your profile page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the three-line icon. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you get into Settings and Privacy, scroll down a bit. And under Cache and Cellular, there is an option as Data Saver. Tap on it. And if you have turned on this toggle, simply turn off this toggle, and after you do that, you will be able to upload SD video on TikTok without losing the quality. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.